In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the font options, what each style looks like, and how to switch between them quickly so your page feels just right for your workflow. Start by opening the Notion page, where you want to change the font style. This could be a notes page, a project dashboard, or a database view. Any page works. Make sure the page is open in front of you so the changes apply to the right place. Font choices in Notion are set per page, so you can keep one page clean and minimal, while another page feels more like a document or a code sheet. Once your page is open, head to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This is the page menu that controls layout and appearance. If you don't see it at first, hover near the top right area of the page title. The icon should appear. Clicking it opens a drop-down with several visual settings. In that drop-down, look for the section labeled Style or Font Options. This is where Notion groups the page-level font controls. You'll see a few simple choices designed to keep things consistent while giving you personality. Select a font style such as Default, Serif, or Mono. Default is clean and balanced, great for most pages and mixed content. Serif introduces small decorative strokes, giving your writing a more traditional, document-like feel, nice for long-form notes or reading-heavy pages. Mono uses a monospace typeface, where each character takes the same width, which can make tables, outlines, and technical content easier to scan. After you pick a font, wait a moment for the page text to update automatically. There's no save button required. Notion applies your choice instantly across the entire page, including headings, paragraphs, and database titles on that page. If you have a lot of content, give it a second to refresh so you can judge the overall look. Feel free to switch between fonts anytime until you find the style you prefer. The change is reversible, and you can come back later if your needs evolve. If you collaborate with others, remember that font changes are visible to everyone who can view the page. So choose a style that supports readability for your team. That's it. Quick, clear, and customizable. Open your page. Use the three-dot menu, choose Default, Serif, or Mono, and let Notion update everything for you. Explore the options, trust your eyes, and set a font that makes your page easier and more enjoyable to use.